I raise on a point of procedure. This morning, the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee considered the law revision fines and other financial amounts in criminal matters.
This was the procedural issue for which Gomba West Member of Parliament Robinah Rwakoojo sought guidance from Parliament. Rwakoojo claimed that the absence of the Justice and Constitutional Affairs Minister was derailing activities of the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee.
Deputy Attorney General informed us that his appointment was merely for Deputy Attorney General and not for Minister of State for Justice, so he's not holding the portfolio for the minister.
This did not earn a listening ear from the Speaker of Parliament, Jacob Oulanyah.
The person sent to you is presumed to have the knowledge to assist the committee come to the conclusion it needs to come to. Answer questions that are necessary for giving guidance on issues that might not be that clear. How would you, as a Committee of Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, send away a Deputy Attorney General?
Neither an appeal nor an explanation was enough to convince the Speaker.
I really think probably it was an oversight on the part of the committee not to have entertained the Deputy Attorney General.
It is not that a minister cannot represent government or the other, but it should be formally designated. And there must be formal information or communication in that respect.
We need to sometimes look for the bigger purpose and serve it than create unnecessary roadblocks in the way of this Parliament getting access and proceeding within the timelines, because now we are losing time.
Jacob Oulanyah's argument is in agreement with a recent clarification made by ICT and National Guidance Minister, Dr. Chris Baryomunsi.
The Attorney General, who is also Minister, also covers that position of Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs. In any case, there is a Deputy Attorney General who is also a Minister of State for Justice and Constitutional Affairs, so there isn't a gap per se.
However, some members of Parliament insist that a substantive Minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs must be appointed to address operational gaps.
Right now, we don't have the Minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs. We need him, and we demand him to appoint that minister in order for the ministry to run on smoothly.
Shortly after taking oath in May 2021, President Yoweri Museveni named a new cabinet, with Jessica Alupo as the Vice President and Robinah Rwakoojo as Prime Minister. Despite existence of the Attorney General and his deputy, the position of Justice and Constitutional Affairs Minister is yet to be filled. Henry Okrut, UBC.